The problem planning departments face is that there's too much work in the backlog and not enough resources to execute the work. This is compounded by the fact that the wrong work gets done and the reliability of the plant continues to deteriorate. This leaves everybody feeling very frustrated. And the solution lies in the ranking of the work in the backlog. I'm going to share with you 4 rules for ranking backlog. Rule number 1, priorities are important. The priority of the work is assigned at the beginning of the process in accordance with the enterprise's work management rules. It's important to maintain those priorities. Take the work in the backlog and group according to the priorities of the work order. Rule number 2, tactical before non-tactical. Tactical work is program tasks that are generated by the enterprise asset management system. Some call it programmed work, some call it maintenance strategies. We're going to call it tactical work. The point is, tactical work is deliberately designed to be executed at a specific point in time. It will improve the health of the assets and is more beneficial than the haphazard work orders generated by plant personnel. So within our priority groups indicated from rule number 1, we take the tactical work and rank it ahead of the non-tactical work in order to drive improved asset reliability. Rule number 3, size does matter. In maintenance planning, work orders that require a significant amount of resources fit into an empty scheduling period much easier when you add them first. And then take the smaller and medium work orders and add them into the scheduling period. Now let's recap. We ranked the work orders according to their priority groups in rule number 1. And then in rule 2, we took each priority group and split it tactical and non-tactical. Now in rule 3, we've taken the tactical and ranked the biggest work orders to the smallest, and then non-tactical, the biggest to the smallest. Rule number 4, keep it together. In order to ensure that the artisans are used as efficiently as possible, the scheduler needs to minimize the amount of time between the work orders. After applying rules 1 to 3, these work orders will probably have been ranked at different levels. If it's left like this, it might mean that the artisan has to travel to and from an asset or a location several times. This is inefficient. So look at your highest ranked work orders and group those for the same asset or asset location together in order for the work to be done at the same time. Then do the same for the lower ranked work orders. Now some will look at these rules and want to enhance them. What about the bottleneck assets or the critical assets? What about grouping them according to trades? This is all well and good. However, our recommendation is the KISS principle. Keep it simple. The more you complicate it, the more chances that people will not follow the rules. Good luck with applying these rules. This is Prag Mastery.